If your garage door opener control panel is acting up and not working, you can fix it without calling a pro right away. So, first, try resetting the control panel by unplugging the garage door opener from the power source for about 1 minute, then plugging it back in. Sometimes a simple reset clears out any glitches. If that does not do the trick, check the batteries in your remote and keypad, because dead batteries are a super common culprit. Also, look for any loose wires around the control board. Sometimes vibrations make connections wiggle loose, and tightening them can bring your panel back to life. If you see any visible damage or burnt spots on the control board, it probably needs replacing, but don't stress yet. You can order a new board online and install it yourself with step-by-step instructions. Make sure to turn off power before handling any parts to stay safe. Testing the wall button after each step helps figure out what worked. And if you have a manual for your garage door opener model, it usually has troubleshooting tips that are worth checking out. Keep in mind, regular maintenance like cleaning contacts and inspecting wires can prevent these headaches from happening again. One of the biggest mistakes with garage door opener control panels is ignoring power issues, like not checking if the unit is actually plugged in or if the circuit breaker tripped. Fix that by confirming power supply first. Another common problem is rushing to replace parts without diagnosing properly. Sometimes it is just a loose wire or dead battery, so take your time to test everything before buying new components. Lastly, people often forget to reset the system after performing fixes, which can cause the panel to stay unresponsive. Always do a full reset after any repair or replacement to refresh the system and get it synced again. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Contractors also benefit because it connects them with people who need work done, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.